Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. This process requires specific tools and careful handling to ensure the best results. Let's get started. ### tools needed. 1. Phillips head screwdriver. A number 0 or number 1 size is recommended for the screws. 2. Plastic pry tool, to safely open the device without damaging the plastic. 3. Tweezers, for handling small screws and components. 4. Anti-static wrist strap, to prevent static damage to sensitive components. 5. Soft cloth, for cleaning and protecting the screen. ### step-by-step guide. ### step 1. Prepare your workspace. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. Lay out all your tools and the replacement LCD cover. It's essential to keep track of the screws and small parts during this repair. ### step 2. Power off and unplug. Before beginning any repair, power off the device completely and unplug it from any power source. ### step 3. Remove the back cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place. Use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back cover off, starting from one edge and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the plastic. ### step 4. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it by lifting it away from the motherboard. This ensures safety while you work on the LCD cover. ### step 5. Remove the LCD assembly. Carefully unscrew any screws securing the LCD assembly. Remember to keep track of their locations. Once unscrewed, gently lift the LCD assembly upwards to detach it from the device. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. ### step 6. Clean the internal components. Before attaching the new LCD cover, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using a soft cloth. This ensures better airflow and performance in your laptop. ### step 7. Install the new LCD cover. Align the new LCD cover with the assembly. Gently press it into place and ensure all clips snap securely. This is a crucial step for the durability of your repair. ### step 8. Reattach the LCD assembly. Once the new cover is in place, reattach the LCD assembly by aligning it with the device and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight and secure. ### step 9. Reconnect the battery. Carefully reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely in place. ### step 10. Replace the back cover. Align the back cover back onto the device and gently press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure it. ### step 11. Power on your device. Finally, plug in your device and power it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections. If you find this process daunting or if you don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about any calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency in our services. ### Replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo IdeaPad 5 can be a rewarding DIY project. With the right tools and careful at. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.